Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are making roasted yam and plantain Port Harcourt Bole style and sauce. If you want to see how I made this, watch to the end of this video. If you happen to come across my post, my page, please don't swipe up, like my post, comment, engage please, and share my post. Thank you. I know that you're about to swipe up, you're like, what is this one saying? But please help this small brand grow. God bless you. Okay, yesterday I had no appetite for what I had in my freezer or in my fridge. I was not saying, okay, what can I make that is not the usual thing I normally make in my house or have not made before? And I thought about roasted plantain and yam with bole sauce. Don't get me wrong, I used to buy it outside, but I've not made it actually. I've not made it here in my house. So, and I said, okay, let me just give it a try. Okay, and now in my mind that what I want to make is Port Harcourt Bole and Port Harcourt sauce exactly. So I said, okay, let me dive in. So that's my already washed plantain. I peeled it. After peeling it, I have to use oil to massage the plantain so that it will be looking so sweet and so nice and so appetizing when you see it. And when it's done roasting, there is one color it will be giving you bole kind of color. You know this Port Harcourt bole, how it looks like. I want it to be, as in the color to be very nice. So if you don't want to use oil, because oil is very, very expensive, if you don't want to use oil, then you can just put it inside your oven like that. So I'm done massaging it, and this is how it looks like. Have you seen how it looks like? It looks so appetizing already. It's already giving. And I now said, okay, let me peel my yam. But guys, again, it happened again. This my yam spoiled. Half of it spoiled and half is good. Maybe I think it's from my side because it's been long I bought this plantain. I used to buy food stuff in bulk, and it's been long. This is it's been long I bought this yam. I buy things in bulk. And this yam is up to 1 month in my house. So I will not blame the market, as in the market where I bought it from. Maybe it's from my own hand, it's spoiled here, because others is only about 2-3 that is not good. So that's by the way, guys. So I just your yam, you don't need to massage, or you just put it inside your tray and put it inside your oven and let it roast. So after the thing roasting for a while, you will now come and flip the other side for the other side to roast too. You now put it back to your oven. After some minutes, you have to bring it out and flip to the other side for the other side to roast too, so that it will roast evenly. But this time around, you not only flip the plantain, you also flip the yam, so that the two sides will roast and be done and not hard. So this is me roasting. This is me flipping my yam. After flipping it, I'll put it right inside the oven. Just for this one, I will now roast for a few minutes. So as thing is already in the in the oven, and I said, okay, let me go ahead with my bole sauce. Yeah, now I want it to be bole sauce, so there is no extra paparazzi or extra ingredients. Just heat up your oil, go in with your fried go in with your chopped onion, fry it for some time, then add in your diced tomatoes and pepper and shombo. So you just fry for a bit, add in your salt and maggi. Guys, you don't need spices for this bole sauce. All you just need is just your maggi and salt, and it will taste so good. Everything will come out so nice. Just look at how my sauce is already looking. It's giving already. So finally, the bole and the yam is out already. Sorry guys, I did not show you guys when I added my fish. I did not film that part. I'm so sorry. So your fish is just for you to wash it, clean it, then add this inside. Add it together with your yam and your plantain. Then roast it too, because we just want everything roast, nothing like fried, roast. So after it, I have to peel the back of my yam. After peeling the back of my yam, see what we have, guys. See that sauce. Guys, if you taste this, the taste is out of this world. If you watched till this point, please like my post and share it. I try, I be and no try. Bye guys, see you in my next video, and tell me if you be trying this out.